I'll dance and play.
This is Bernie's soul girl. She's, what do you call her, Meredith?
She's funky.
Ooh, look at her. Go, girlfriend. You go, girl. What do you call that dance?
I don't know. I don't know.
Blow your whistle.
Yeah, that's pleasant, huh?
Okay, whose turn is it?
I don't know.
I think it's Bernadette's.
Whoever watches this
No,
video
it's
will
yours.
know, but we don't.
Yeah.
I thought it was,
John, do you have any fours?
I didn't think it was your turn, Andy.
Oh, really?
You're out of turn.
I'm out of turn.
Actually, I think it was your turn. I was just being facetious.
Oh, I got a couple of fours. She's a funky mama.
And my dog can dance too.
What's your doll's name?
Sappy or Sapphire?
See, doesn't she look just like Bernie?
Come on, camera gal. Come on.
Okay, go on.
Okay, I have to stop filming so I can win. Goodbye. Say goodbye.
She's got to have that funky beat, though.
She's got it. She's a funky mama. Come on, Bern. See, when you're 16, we'll show you this and you'll just crawl under the table. And Bernadette, what are you going to be when you grow up?
A model
And where are you going to live?
in Hawaii.
And you're going to fly?
Have a custom-made plane and fly all the way to Los Angeles and fly here and everywhere.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where'd you get that idea from?
My brain.
Your what?
My brain.
Well, Bernie, the music's still going, babe.
I know, but it's not good. It's like rap.
Kinda. Funky.
I'm gonna do that dance that goes with that song.
I'm showing Bernadette. Ooh! I want to show her how to use it. Okay, all you do, Bernie, is look, hold it like that, and look right in there.
Oh, cool.
You see me?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to go into the kitchen at the Hutchinson.